Around the globe, MD&A is now a leading provider of gas turbine repairs, components, and upgrades through the integration of PW Power Systems of San Antonio, Texas. Our San Antonio Service Center provides repair services for large frame gas turbine combustion and hot gas path components. An ISO certified F-Class Repair Center of Excellence, our shop utilizes the most advanced technology and processes available, and all of our personnel are certified in their specific area of expertise. MD&A's three-stage gate process ensures the highest of standards. Each gate provides an important checkpoint, an opportunity for our engineers to review the project with the client. This communication builds an effective partnership that enhances quality and reduces repair time. Our experience in component repair is the foundation for our success in new part development. MD&A provides gas turbine parts for your compressor, combustion system, hot gas path, discs, bearings, and consumables. Using insights gathered from decades of repair analyses, our experts capture performance opportunities that are disregarded in many OEM parts. With our design iterations only taking hours rather than weeks, we can respond to the critical phases of the re-engineering process more quickly and thoroughly. Because MD&A's proprietary coatings can sustain the high temperatures that hot gas path components are subjected to, our coatings also extend the life of the components. MD&A is a full-service OEM alternative for gas turbine components and repairs. We deliver industry-leading solutions with processes and parts that are backed by guarantees. That's power through experience.